Woo. I don't know what Mike's doing right now. He's cutting his netting out of his pants. Brand new pants.
It's uncomfortable.
Don't ask me why. He's set on cutting it out. You're gonna cut yourself.
No.
That's what I'm afraid of.
No, no, no.
Oh my god.
Look at all that netting, dude.
I know.
You should have waited to take them off so you can get a clean cut.
Well, I'll rough cut it now so I'm not sweating. And I'll just take it off faster. Right there.
This man is something else, dude. Why? That's all the pant netting, all of it out. And out here getting our gear on, go do some laps in a little bit. It's like noon right now, so we got a late start, but getting everything on, good to go. All right, so we've been pretty much riding the entire day. The track's pretty beat right now, but we're still gonna have fun. We came here to ride, so Dave's gonna hook it up, get some clips for me. I'll try to get some clips of him. Peyton's all done with his motos for the day. And yeah, we'll go from there, see what we get. And I'm gonna get a full riding day tomorrow, so I'm not really too concerned, but we'll see what happens, see what we get. And shout out for Dave for getting some clips. Well, hanging out in the camper, we're making dinner over here. I think I only got a few clips. Whoa, my camera. Dave only got a few clips before we had to wrap it up because we went out there. It was like 4:30 and I think it wraps up at like 5 o'clock. We gotta start riding. So tomorrow I'm gonna start this video off then with straight riding or straight GoPro and just have some fun tomorrow. Kinda didn't film much today because I just wanted to ride and have fun, but tomorrow definitely film some stuff for you guys and I'll get a full video out. Gotta love the sand in the teeth, you know? Covered, I ate sand all in my helmet. That's South Carolina for you. Nice and sandy. Jeez. Bike's still running. I don't know how it's... Oh, the clutch is pulled in. Nice way to lay it over, huh? I did that on purpose. Doing like little sections at a time, just like we were working on this corner, we did that corner, a couple jumps and whatnot, but ride too much. Dave was having some issues with his bike. He kind of got it sorted out. He's just gonna run it. Hopefully nothing happens to it. And yeah, other than that, we're having fun. It's super hot today. It's like 70, almost 75, so cannot complain about the weather. And yeah, we'll do some more laps, I guess, get some more clips. This thing's going off. I gotta change my air filter. It's probably so dirty right now from the sand and whatnot. That is a fact. Yo, I'll follow you a lap and we'll... braking bumps. What?
You want to follow me off that fast?
Off what? The little...
Yeah.
Thing. Yeah, we'll come around this corner. I'll follow right here through the rollers. Don't hit this outside. There's a big hole in it because you'll go over.
I'll probably find it.
But if it's okay then, because the GoPro will get it, so we'll be all set there.
It's good content.
But other than that, don't go outside and we'll be good. Dave's working on that back section.
Yeah, I know. I like that corner, but Dave wants to get video, so I don't really care.
Yeah, you can get kind of low in that corner and then follow that rut out, but that jump coming out so rutted.
I was doing that corner.
Alright, we're wrapping the day up. We're gonna clean all the bikes up. I got the drone, whatever, charged in back here, but wash all the bikes, gotta go. I gotta clean my air filter. I haven't done that. I gotta take my seat off. I'll show you guys that. That's probably pretty bad after like 2 days of riding. I probably should have done it this morning, but this is Mike's filter. from 1 day's of riding. It's not too bad. Should be good. Well, I would have drone shots if the drone actually worked and connected to the phone's Wi-Fi and the drone's Wi-Fi or whatever, but of course it doesn't work. It doesn't work on the hotspot either, so that's sick. So I'm sorry there's no drone shots. I planned on it, but of course the technology doesn't work. But regardless, clean up my bike. Blaze is cleaning up his bike over here, and then I'll wash mine after. Bike's barely even dirty. Really don't gotta wash it, but we'll freshen it up. And we are all clean. Dave's the last one left to clean his bike over here. All right, moment of truth. It's a little wet because I didn't bag it or anything, but the filter's not too bad. Honestly, filter's not really that bad. It's a little dirty.
It's dirty.
I'll change it anyway. Bike maintenance pretty much done. New filter in there, good to go. Put the seat on. Mike's getting his filter good. And yeah, wrap this day up. Good solid day. Peyton, you have fun riding?
Yeah.
Well, you're training, but you know, that's a little rougher than do 3 laps, get off, hang out, do 5 laps, get off, hang out. That's a little bit, yeah. 20-minute moto, 30-minute moto.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Alright, so I only filmed a little bit the first day and then I combined it with today, which is Friday. The video should go up tomorrow, Saturday, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Like I said, we got all the bikes and what figured out. We're lining them up, gonna cable them together and whatnot for tonight. But if you guys wanna see like behind the scenes, you can follow me on Instagram at Tyler Monagan. I'll post like on my Instagram story and whatnot. I've been like up to date on that, so give me a follow at Tyler Monagan. Our plan for tomorrow is just to wake up, ride all day until 5 o'clock, and then hopefully be out of here by 6. Put in a couple hours, and then I'll go to sleep, wake up, and then drive the rest of the way Sunday. Probably gonna be home like later Sunday night. Bummed I couldn't get any drone shots because you could be able to see the entire track, everything, but maybe I'll try to figure it out tomorrow and get the whole deal going. But luckily the GoPro works and everything. Hotspot was working decent now that I got unlimited on that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit the subscribe button down below to see probably one more riding video from tomorrow. And yeah, like I said, give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably Monday with the next upload. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.